Hi, friends. Welcome to Angels Academy. This is Krista, and this is Sanaya. Glad to meet you, friends. Ready? We're going to learn about the present continuous tense. We're learning English, by the way, because this is a second language. Okay? Present, can you read this? Present, Sanaya. What's this? Present. Continuous. Yes. Present continuous tense means describing actions that are happening right now, at the moment. Okay? For example, what are you doing right now? Yeah, I see. It's about, I don't tell me. Okay? Can you read the first sentence? What? Wearing. So, this he is trouser. Where's the trouser? This one. He's wearing a trouser. Right? What is he wearing? He is wearing a trousers. Next. Okay. This is to be. Right? To be is the am. Are is like I am. You are. This, he is. It is. Or we are. They are. Yeah, this to be. So when you read it, let's read the sentence, okay? She is drinking. The subject is he, right? And to be is drink, and then you put in at the end. Okay, past continuous tense usually there's an in, right? There's in at the end. She is wearing. Next we are what? We are wearing what? We're wearing dress. Are you wearing hair dress and clothes? Are wearing clothes? Yeah, or we are wearing what is it? Slip. Or and then he. Okay, what's the to be for he? He. Yes, he is very good. He is walking. You need to put ing. Walking. He is walking. So you're doing it now, right? He is walking. Yes. He is. Let's read. He is. Good. Yes. Yes. He. What's the missing word? He is wearing a shirt. So this is the to be and this is the in. Always with in, the continuous, the present continuous tense. Okay. Is she wearing trousers? No. He. What's the to be? He is not. Yeah, we need to put in wearing trousers. What are they wearing? They are wearing well, trousers. Yes, they are wearing trousers. They're wearing clothes. What is he wearing? He is wearing a jacket. He is wearing what's that? A shirt. He is wearing trousers. He is wearing clothes. Yes. Okay, that's it. You know now about don't forget that to be and there's always in at the end of the verb. Okay? Say bye bye guys. So